In this lesson, we're going to install a program on your computer called Bluej. Bluej is an integrated development environment, or an IDE, for the Java programming language. There are many. Another popular one is Greenfoot. It was developed to support the learning and teaching of object-oriented programming. And now you've already downloaded and installed the Java Development Kit package on your computer. So I want you to go to bluej.org, go to download. I'm going to download the Windows version of Bluej. Now, depending on your browser and your computer, the next part will be different. I have a program on my computer called DAP, Download Accelerator, and it just makes downloading so much easier. When I download podcasts, if they get interrupted, if I try to download it again, it'll pick it up where it left off. It's a very intelligent downloading program. And you can see it's got a nice interface here, let you know how things are going. And welcome to Bluej. Yeah, I want to keep going. Yeah, just for me be fine. Sure, all the shortcuts I want. I wouldn't change where the program wants to install, and just say next. Now, I went pretty quickly through those menus, but whenever you download a program, I want you to read very carefully what kind of bloatware, malware they're going to put. And that was easy, and that was the setup. So this is Bluej. Now, the tools that we need to compile and run Java programs can be operated from the command prompt and are located in the bin subdirectory of the Java directory. But Bluej doesn't know where that is, so we got to teach it first. So now we need to make these available to the program Bluej. So I'm going to go Tools and Preferences. Let me make sure you can see this. I'm going to add a library. I'm going to go to the C drive. Your Java directory is in Program Files. There's a Java folder. There it is. There's the JDK and the bin folder, and that's it. And just click OK. Now Java can use all those tools, and it will restart as soon as we get going here. Now, the first thing we'll do is to test the environment to make sure everything's going. We're going to create a new project. You decide where your projects are going to go. Mine are going to go in a folder for AP Computer Science. I would suggest every project you start a new folder. So I'm going to call this one HelloWorld, just on this case because we use something else on Bluej. Now that's the folder, but what's the name of the project? The name of this program is going to be HelloWorld, capital H, capital W. Don't get cute naming everything different letters, and be very consistent. So HelloWorld, and I'm going to create it. And there we go. Now we got a brand new window. Let's see. Whenever we create a program, we have to create a new class. And this new class, there's lots of choices, but we're going to use class for a while, and it's going to be called Hello World. Be consistent, capital H, capital W, say OK. And there it is. I double click on that, and it shows me all the code. Bluej is very handy, and it will be handy later. I'm going to delete all this right now, and I'm just going to type the code that you were given for Hello World. I'm going to type it rather quickly. Bluej is great. It's going to color code everything and just make your life a lot easier. I compile that. You see down the bottom, no errors. I double click, or I click once, I right click rather, and I bring up the main function. I'm going to run the main function, click OK, and I'm rewarded with my little message, Hello World. So Bluej is the program we're going to use in this course. I'd like you to have it ready on your machine. I'd like you to test it just the way you've seen. And here endeth the lesson.